Very good afternoon, everyone. So, who are watching my videos, they have given too much love to the videos. So, who are watching, kindly subscribe, like, and share also, so that I can get you new videos like which can be used in the home at itself. Thank you very much. So, today's video is related to the computer. If your computer is not restarting or giving some beeps, then there is a fault of RAM. So we have to reset the RAM for this purpose. So today we'll see how to refix the RAM in your CPU. So first of all, open the outer door of the CPU. Then there is a 2 slots of RAM in each and every CPU. So this is the RAM. It may be 2 GB, 1 GB or 5 GB, 4 GB like that. Depends on the capacity of the RAM. So you can put separately 2 GB also. Like this, in 2 GB, 2 GB, 2 RAMs are there. So if it is not placed properly, or sometime when you are transferring CPU from here to there, the RAM will be not properly fixed due to shaking. So we have to refix the RAM so that we can use the computer again. In this case, we have 2 RAMs with the small slots in between. There is a cut in each and every RAM. So that cut should be properly fixed. Otherwise, the RAM will not set properly. So now we are refixing the RAM. Just clean the RAM and refix. There are 2 locks for each RAM end to end. So that RAM should be properly fixed with that locks. If the lock is proper, then it will come small click sound. So it means the RAM is fixed properly, and the lock is also fixed properly. Take care because it is very sensitive. Or while fixing, you should take care because it is a very small, like you can say, just like a card. So it can break also if you are not taking care. The RAM capacity depends upon the RAM. It may be 1 GB also, 2 GB also. So if you are taking higher capacity, the cost will be more. So nowadays, some computers, they will work at 4 GB, 3 GB like that. If the RAM capacity is more, the speed will be more of the computer. So it will be very easy to comfortably you can use that. Now we have fixed both the RAMs. And locked side from both sides. Check any nut will be, if it is there is a loose in any screw, so tight that. There is one fan inside the CPU, and take care that the wire should not touch that fan. Now you can close the CPU. While closing that, you should take care about that. Any wire should not be out. Now this is the all procedure of the fixing of RAM. Now before starting that, you should check all the wires back side of the CPU. Properly check and tight. Now you can restart your computer. You can. This is all about the RAM fixing. If you like my video, kindly subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much.